Welcome to the TailorMate app tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn about tasks in TailorMate app. How to create your own task commonly used in the shop. To create a new task, open the side menu by clicking the menu icon. Select the Administration menu item. Then click Tasks tab on top. Next, click the plus button to add a new task item. On the pop-up screen, enter your task name and average number of days taken for this task. Click Save Task button. You can add all your tasks one by one like this. You may also change order of the tasks added. You can do this by pressing the task item for 2 seconds and drag up or down. You can edit or delete a task as well. Adding tasks is a one-time activity. Once tasks are added, you can select the tasks applicable for your order. To do this, go to Orders screen and search for the order you want to assign the tasks. Click on the order to go to Orders details. Click the task item shown with each dress item. Here, all the tasks from master list with default number of days is listed. You have to select the tasks which are applicable for this dress item. Also, you can edit the number of days each task will take if different from default value. Now, you have to select an expected completion date for this item. Based on the delivery date, you can select a date of completion. 1 or 2 days before the delivery date may be ideal for completion date. Click Save Task. Now, tasks are assigned for this dress item and can be viewed in Tasks list. Click on the Tasks tab at the bottom to see the newly added tasks. Now, the app will tell you which date each task has to be started to complete the task on time. If it is green color, it means the item is going on track. When the task turns to red, it means item is delayed and cannot be delivered on time. When you start a task for a dress, say when cutting is started, you have to go to Task Details and click Start button. Similarly, when the task is completed, you have to mark it as completed by clicking the Finish button. On the task screen, you can see the task status as Not Started, In Progress or Completed. You can also track the task in detail by clicking the task. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. If you have any questions about TailorMate app, please call us or WhatsApp on the number given here.